Okay, today we're going to be showing how to install a Lasermax guide rod laser. This is a little older model. The newer ones, the spring and everything is self-contained, like so. On the back of the battery cover here, you got a little brass, I think it's brass, pin. That's what turns the laser on. My batteries are dead right now, but installation is all the same. You get a new slide lock lever. Usually has some type of coloring on the back of it. And it also, I don't know if you can see that there, but it's got those two little dimples, and I'll show you what those are for later. And it also comes with a slide lock spring. So first, make sure your gun's clear. Chamber's clear, no mag. Yes, I do have the Crimson Trace lasers on there. So, breaker down, dry fire, thumb on this side of the takedown lever, index finger on this side, and we're going to apply a downward pressure and pull back, and it'll click down. You saw my fingers there, and then the slide and everything will just slide right off. You're just going to take your old spring and guide rod out and pretty much set that down. You're going to insert the front of, like I said, this is an older model, a little more difficult to put in, but just like so. You want to make sure this red dot right here is facing directly up, like so. As far as the slide, that's it for the slide. Now for the breakdown lever. If you look down in here, we've got a spring right here, and then we've got our breakdown lever right here. What you're gonna need, I use a little eyeglass screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or you could use a punch or a pen or whatever you got, something small that you can get in there and push around with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push down on the spring, and we're going to push down on the spring right here, and that will release this breakdown lever here. So you can either push down on the front of it or on the back of it here. Okay, so that just literally slides out the side there through your slot once you get it pressed down, and it makes sure that this little top portion clears the hole there. Okay, and then you're going to need to take out the old spring. So I stick my screwdriver in through the slot up underneath the spring and lift up a little bit on it till you can get in back of it here. You can slide your in back of it here, you can slide your punch or screwdriver or whatever you got. Now I'm going to stick my thumb over top of this because it'll have a tendency to want to go flying across the room on you. You just kind of work it forward on it, and eventually it comes out loose and it'll drop out. This is actually the Lasermax spring. You can tell that it's got, sorry about that fall there, I don't have the best tripod in the world. It's got a little dimple in it. Your standard spring will be flat, and again, I'll show you what that's for later on. But so we're going to stick this back in the same hole here that it came out of. Let's see if I can get the light right on that. So the front end of it goes right in that spot there. I just use the back of this to kind of get it started in there, just like so. Okay, and then you're going to take your new breakdown lever, the one with the paint on the back of it. You're going to make sure that the paint is facing back towards the rear of the gun there. So I'm going to start it in. Sometimes you can kind of seesaw it in there, other times you got to push it in part way, and then push it in part way, and then press your spring down just until it slides in, just like so. So now those two bumps I showed on the takedown bar and the spring, you can see it causes it to click to either side, just like so. So in the middle we've got off, and to either side we've got on. So it's ambidextrous. One nice thing about the Lasermax lasers is you don't have any interference with your holsters or anything like that. So you can use your standard holster, and it's real easy on. You know, you don't hardly have to think about it. I put my finger up there anyway when I'm shooting, so that's pretty nice. And then you just take your slide, line up your rails, and she's good to go. And like I said, you'll just click it over to one side or the other, and that'll turn your laser on. Unfortunately, my batteries are dead, so you can't see the final product. But that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. See it there at the end. That's how you install your Lasermax laser.